When using a conventional security camera with infrared lighting for night monitoring, people, vehicles or other important objects can be blurry and blend into the background, making it difficult to identify details in black and white. ColorVu technology by Hikvision enables cameras to produce colourful videos with rich details in extremely low light environments. Any detailed information, such as the colour of the hair and skin, colour of the clothing, will play a critical role in following authority investigations. The ColorVu camera is also coupled with a supplemental light to keep its performance even in extremely dark scenarios. ColorVu. View in colour, even in darkness.